Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com and Engineering Shock Electronics. Today I'm just going to show you a fun new board that I'm working with. It's actually not a new board, it's an old board, but I haven't had time to play with it. And it basically acts as an interface between a standard computer keyboard and a processor board with an LCD. And I'll be turning this into an escape room prop, or maybe a few different escape room props, as I can interface with a ton of other things. It's also got full audio control. I can fit up to 681 seconds of audio on this thing, and I can essentially create a conversation if I want. Stereo connectors right there, but I've got my USB to PS2 connector connected right here. The LCD is lit up. It says Enter Command 1, so I'm actually going to stop the video and show you the LCD. So I don't know how well this looks to the camera. To the human eye, it looks great. Enter Command 1. So let's just enter in a bunch of different numbers and letters. 456 THE. Incorrect code, and I can so now I have to enter the correct code. So the idea in an escape room is you'd find these codes, and let's say it would be a launch sequence or a deactivation of a bomb, or one of a million ideas. So the first code word is strike, so the players would have to find the first code word. Code 1 received. Enter Command 2. So Command 2 is echoes. And the third is Plan B. But again, if I enter an incorrect code, every single time I'll get the incorrect code indicator from the LCD. So Plan B ends the game, or at least this part of the game. Code 1 received, or what did that say? That was too quick. So let's do this again. Strike. I might have missed something in the code there. It looked a little bit fishy. Echoes. Code 2 received. Enter Command 3, Plan B. Now what does it say? Code 1 received, excellent job. So obviously I need to change that in code to Code 3 received, excellent job. And it resets the program, because this is obviously an unfinished program. I just got it working the way I wanted it to. I've tested audio works. So I can have up to 255 sound bites on here, totaling 681 seconds worth of audio, so I can create a huge story with this. I can make this a very interactive prop. I can control, connect it to control a maglock. I can control an LED string if I wanted to make a spaceship game. Lots of stuff not being used on this board. In any case, I just wanted to share. I've been wanting to work with this board for a while. I've been wanting to learn how to control an LCD and essentially communicate with the system with a standard keyboard. And I did it. Happy Saturday to me. Thanks for watching, everyone. I just wanted to share. If you haven't already, check us out at EscapeRoomElectronics.com and EngineeringShock.com. Lots of Arduino stuff at EngineeringShock.com. Gadgets, pick gadgets, and at Escape Room Electronics, obviously, tons of escape room props. Take care and have a great weekend, everyone.